Hello, I'm Mrs. M, and I'm the owner of GovClean Contracting Services. So I know I get a lot of individuals that want to know just how easy or hard is it to get started in obtaining your first government cleaning contract. Well, it's not as easy or as hard as it could be. A lot of people think it's a secret, but actually, guess what? It's a system. It's all about making sure you put all the moving parts together and have a system and how you actually go about finding your first government cleaning contract. I'm not going to say it's easy, but it's not as hard as you think, and it is oh so worth it. You want to make sure you understand what the requirements are. Then you want to make sure you know how to market to the government buyers. And last, you want to be able to find the bids. So if you want to find all of this and more, then guess what you can do? You can actually click to register for my free masterclass where I go over all three of those areas. I leave nothing to secret, and I let you know all of the systems. That's right. So if this sounds like a great fit for you, you're tired of your 9 to 5, or you have an actual commercial cleaning business, but you're doing all the work and you're really ready to scale, then this is a great fit. Make sure you click to register. I'd love to see you there. Bring 3 things. Bring pen, paper, and energy. And I look forward to seeing you soon, so make sure you click to register. And until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.